Well, in just 2 short months, 2 months from yesterday exactly, all eyes will be on the sky for the total solar eclipse.
Right now, we are joined by Mark Percy, director of the Williamsville Space Lab Planetarium. Mark, thank you so much for being here.
Oh, thank you.
You guys have been counting down to April 8th for years now. How excited are you guys?
Yeah, it's very exciting. It's really hard to believe when I look at those countdown timers how little time we have left until this big day. So, yeah, we've actually been meeting since before the 2017 eclipse. A lot of people remember that was a partial eclipse here. But we in the astronomy outreach community knew that it was going to be a big deal, not only for 2017, but that was really just sort of like a training ground for what was going to be coming our way 7 years later.
So much a part of the people who are here already in terms of the planetariums, and then people who will be coming here, representatives from NASA, for example, they're going to be stationed up at Niagara Falls. A lot of this, especially from the experts, is about educating the public. So that had to be a really big factor for you guys, taking this time to educate the public.
Right. Well, everybody's got a different role in this puzzle. We've got, emergency planners involved. We've got hospitality. We've got event planners. But I'm an educator, so that's been my focus from the beginning, is making sure that people get correct information, because we know we live in an age with a lot of misinformation, and solar viewing can be marvelous, but it does have some inherent dangers. So we need to make sure we get the correct information out ahead of any of the other nonsense that might come.
Right.
And Mark, you brought in a number of things here. Why don't you run through some of this stuff? Share some tips with the viewers out there who are also very excited for April 8th.
All right. Well, of course, everybody knows about these solar eclipse glasses. These are a pretty inexpensive way to look at the sun safely. And one thing I want to make sure that we know is that they need to have this ISO certification on them, that they meet the international standard for direct solar viewing. And we had a little bit of trouble back in 2017 with some counterfeits. So it's really important to make sure you're getting these from a trusted supplier. And don't wait till the last minute. They're not very expensive, but if you wait until the last minute, it's going to be tough to get your hands on them.
Mark, that's a really good point. So somewhere on these glasses, on this piece of cardboard and Mylar or whatever it is, there should be an insignia. So every pair of glasses or what have you, it should say that it's a legit product.
Right, yeah.
Okay,
it's
good.
the ISO standard, is an international standard that was actually written by an optometrist in Toronto. But he did a lot of research on what's called solar retinopathy, which is damage from staring at the sun, and came up with a method for impregnating the Mylar with carbon black particles to make it actually dark enough and block enough of not only visible radiation, but ultraviolet and infrared as well.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is not just, balloons that look like this or wrappers that look like this. Is not the same material.
You also have a telescope to your left there, right?
Yes. This is a small telescope that unfortunately they don't make anymore.
That's really neat.
I know. I needed to know about it.
I know. Well, it's pretty cool, and it's one of my favorites because it's nice and portable. Now, getting a magnified view of the sun is pretty cool, but again, there's dangers involved.
Sure.
I mean, you can start a fire with a magnifying glass, right? So what I've got here is a device known as a sun funnel. It goes over the eyepiece of a regular telescope, and what it does is the focal point where the danger is now enclosed inside this long neck automotive funnel that's been modified slightly to fit over the eyepiece. Wow. And then this is rear projection screen from the theater world, which isn't expensive. It's just a little tricky because you buy it by the yard.
Sure.
So it's, but yeah, then what happens is you get a nice projection of the sun, which is very easy for people to view. So this is really one of my go-to tools whenever I'm doing solar observing, because we observe the sun regularly as part of our astronomy class.
Mark, before we run out of time, I want to make sure that people, one, know how to find you guys, and also know about any events you have coming up between now and April 8th. So first, where can folks find you?
Well, I work for the Williamsville School District, and our district webpage will have information about safe viewing and our plan to give out eclipse glasses to our students, as well as a potential event that we may be doing on Eclipse Day.
So stand by for that at this point.
Yeah, things are still kind of in the planning stage.
Of course.
Well, Mark, I imagine you have your schedule cut out for you between now and April 8th.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you very much
busy.
for stopping in this afternoon.
Thanks, Mark.
Thanks.
Much more to come here on News 4 at 4. Stay with us.